Here we are making a little progress on removing the drywall from the sliding door. Just need to remove the rest here on the left as we go down to the floor. It seems like the frame is just attached to the studs with screws. It'll just be a matter of removing the drywall on the opposite side, unscrewing that, unscrewing the door, flipping it, and screwing it back in place. As the door flipping project is coming along, I've managed to clean out the drywall, figured out that it's screwed in to the 2x4s, so it's just going to be a matter of unscrewing that, unscrewing it from the floor because it's got a couple screws that hold it onto the floor as well. As the project is going along, my wife asked if I would be so kind as to remove our only light fixture that's in here because it's sitting on the wall, and she asked if I can move it to the ceiling. So that's going to be another project. Given that everything is open, it's not that big deal. It's just a little more drywall and insulation that needs to be moved. Run some cable, which I already have. And I'll see if I can post another video on that. We have only one light fixture in this room. It's on the wall. It doesn't provide very much light for the room when you're on the other end of it. I currently have the walls open, meaning I've removed the drywall, removed some insulation, because I'm dealing with a termite issue. And my wife has asked me if I would kindly move that light and put it up on the ceiling. I've removed the light from the wall. I started running the cable to move it to the ceiling. And if your wife is like mine, she likes symmetry. She likes things to be symmetrical, things in the center, etc. If it were up to me, I'd just find the easiest place to put it and move on with my day. However, she wants the light more or less in the center of the room. And we've got a problem with that because that beam where the cable is currently running is in the center of the room. So, got a bit of a problem, which I've addressed in a different room. I'll post a little bit more on that once I've got what I need. Took a while, but the door's in place. Still working on this room. It's taking a while to complete, but this bathroom's coming along. So the door got flipped, as you can see in the video. The actual framing for the door has got 1x4s that go across as part of the framing for the actual door that you can stick the drywall into. So put this on. For the texture, just a can texture, and then paint it over it. This other room, again, it's taken me forever, but it's coming along. But that's it. Essentially, flipped the door, resealed everything, putting everything back in place.